You are going to love the 2014 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power brakes, power windows, child safety locks, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.